Namaskar. Welcome back to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Today we are going to learn fourth asana is Gomukhasana. Let's get started. Gau means cow and mukh means face. Hence the name Gomukhasana or cow face pose. Sit in stretched legs and now fold your right leg, then fold your left leg. So you arrange your legs first. Now fold your right hand at the elbow and take it towards back. I'll be showing you from the back side so you'll understand how I'm arranging my arms. So I'm placing my palm between the two shoulders. As you can see, my elbow will point towards the ceiling or the sky. Now fold your left hand at the elbow and bring it closer to your fingers. So this time my elbow point towards the ground. So my right elbows are pointing up and left elbow pointing down. Both the elbows are pointing oppositely. Now hold fingers of right hand from the fingers of the left hand. So have a very nice grip in this asana. So this asana will help you to cure your cramps in the legs and leg muscles becomes elastic. Now release your hands, stretch out your legs, then practice the same thing with the other side. And let's switch our sides. Fold your left knee, then fold your right knee. Check your heels are closer to your hips. So this asana removes the pain in hips and lower extremities. As you can see, you're squeezing your thighs. So it makes your leg muscles elastic, and it is good for cellulite people, those who have dumplings in their thighs and hips area. This helps to make their spine straight. So those who have hunchback, it is very helpful. And also in this posture, as you can see, your lungs are expanding and contracting constantly. So it improves your lung capacity, and then you can release the posture and come back. The key word is your knees should remain in one line, heels closer to your hips. Then the alternate method for this particular asana, you can use a block, brick or a cushion underneath your hips to balance your body. And then you can use for your hands, if your shoulders are too frozen and it's very stiff, then you can have a grip with the dupatta or maybe with a strap or maybe with a towel, and then you can practice the same manner. So this is Gaumukhasana, and then with the practice daily you will attain this posture. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do subscribe, like and comment below. Did you check my previous video of this series? Then go check it out. Thank you. Stay blessed.